Lesson 49. Multiplication of polynomials. A plus B multiplied by C plus D. We're going to use a method which we call it FOIL. Which means we're going to take the first one multiplied by the first term in the second binomial, then the first term by the outer term. Then we're going to take B, the inner one, with the first one from the second binomial, then last. So this is your F, this is your O, this is your I, this is your L. So you take A, you multiply it by C, plus A times D, plus B times C, plus B times D. So we can write this as A, C, plus A, D, plus B, C, plus B, D. This is multiplication of polynomials. Let's get some examples. Letter A, 3x plus 2, 4x minus 1. So we're going to take the 3x, the whole term, we're going to multiply it by the first term and the second term. Then we're going to take second term by the first term from the second binomial and the last term together. So 3x times 4x is 12x squared. You need to add the powers. The powers, here's 1 and here's the 1. X times x is x squared. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. 2 times 4x is 8x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. We still have one more step to do, which is adding like terms. I have the 3x and the 8x. They are like terms. Negative 3, positive 8 is 5. So the answer would be 12x squared plus 5x minus 2. Another example, B. 2x minus 3 squared. That's mean 2x minus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 3. When I say 3 squared, it means 3 times 3. You're multiplying the same term by itself twice. Same thing, we're going to use FOIL method to find the answer. 2x times 2x, 2x times negative 3, and we're going to do the negative 3 times 2x and times negative 3. So the answer will be 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Negative 3, 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Watch something that these two guys are the same when you do the squared. Always the second and the third term, they're going to be the same. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. We add like terms. So 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. One more example. Let us see. 2x squared minus 5 multiplied by x squared minus 3x plus 1. So here we have binomials and we're going to multiply it by trinomial. So the numbers of the terms that we're going to have, they're going to be 6 terms. So we're going to take the 2x squared, multiply 1, 2, and 3. Let's take care of this first, then we deal with the second term. 2x squared times x squared is 2x to the power of 4. We add the powers, 2 plus 2. 2x squared times negative 3x. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. X squared times x, x cubed. 2x squared times 1 is just 2x squared. So I multiply the first term by all the second parenthesis, by all the terms. So I have 3 terms already. Now I'm going to take the negative 5 and then I'm going to do the same thing, multiplied by the first term, second, and the last one. Negative 5 times x squared is negative 5x squared. Negative 5 times negative 3x,
15x.
positive 15x. Negative 5 times positive 1 is negative 5. Count your terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. So your work is right. You did not skip any term. Because here you have 2 terms and here you have 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So this is what we have. Then we're going to add like terms. I don't have any other term than 2x4, so I'm going to bring it down. 2x to the power 4. With the cube, same thing. I have only just one term. So that would be negative 6x cubed. With the x squared, I have negative 2x squared, negative 5x squared. 2 minus 5 is negative 3x squared. Positive 15x, I have only one term with the x, and minus 5. That would be my answer for this multiplication. And that's all for lesson 49.